Hey on guys, so welcome back to another video. So we're going to go through the new trailer we just got. So it's a 6x4 box trailer. So this is what it looks like for now. Okay, so pretty standard 6x4 box trailer. It's had some reinforcing on the guards to the headboard, and as well as guard to the tailgate area. So drop down tailgate on chains. Now that will change. Same as for the location of the spare. So yeah. Alright, mind the light. Workshop's a bit dark today, so this is kind of the layout that I'm thinking. So I've drawn it up, measured it all up, kind of in line with the same sort of design as what the current trailer is now. So you got hinges down the side here and latches, and it'll be a swing out. That may change. We may end up going with a sort of gull wing lift up door. Not sure yet. So I'll bring this down, and then we'll have a rear kitchen set up with a big long drawer that'll go the whole length of the trailer. Fridge slide at the front. I'm not sure if we're going to go an upright yet or run a second chest fridge freezer with shelving up top. Pantry cupboard. I mean, we're going to have additional storage down here, but there is plans to go in there. That's not just all storage. And then microwave. Microwave isn't just for luxury purposes. Well, I mean, it is, but so we've just had a baby, so the idea is warming up milk, kids dinner if for whatever reason. So yeah, that'll be where we're at so far with things. It's a work in progress. Now, this isn't going to be something that's going to be happening like straight away. It's going to be over a period of time in between baby, work, kids, other family commitments. Like the business is keeping me busy with newborn baby. Joys of being self-employed. I don't have the luxury of time off when I've got so many jobs booked in, and yeah, so we will get to it when we get to it, kind of thing. Now at this stage we are, what are we, this week after Queen's birthday weekend. So we just had Fink last weekend, so that was interesting. Set up everything down track, ready to go, and then they decided they wanted to bring baby on, so that kind of went that. But you know, you take what you get. So yeah, we'll go through this and start cutting up some metal. Alright, so we've got a piece set up in the drop saw already. So this is for the outside frame that'll sit on top of the box of the trailer itself. So mind the edging, haven't quite got there yet. So it is a pretty thin steel, so that'll save with weight. So it's a 1.8 millimeter square tubing, 50 by 50. So the 50 by 50 will help with the roof weight, as well as obviously with the amount of stuff that we're going to have in it. So the idea is that we're going to make it, pretty much the frame is going to be exactly the way that we had with the, which is what now, my tool trailer for work. Not as heavy. That was overkill. Way too much weight in that canopy frame itself. Really strong, but really bloody heavy. So yeah, change things up, trying to reduce some weight where we can. See how we go. So I know we'll get questioned on it. I'm going to put it in here anyway. Did change out the disc on the drop saw before this build. Now ran the Zito disc into the ground with the last build, and I was rewatching a few YouTube videos and seeing Roam Life was suggesting changed over, and it's made a big difference with everything. So cheers for that, mate. It was good call on that one. It actually does make a huge difference. Even with the thin material, it cuts through like butter. So yeah. Alright, so plan is with this one. So I've got all 4 of the legs cut. Alright. So looking down the box and the side here, so you got the side rail in here. Thinking, not sure if they're going to bolt or weld, probably just weld onto the other 2 over that side. So utilise in this space. So either way, door will sit, in there, help seal a lot better. So we get this sort of grind up the trailer, get them tacked in place, and go from there. Alright, so got 4 canopy legs. We'll call them the canopy legs, cage legs, enclosed trailer legs, posts, whatever. So that's them in. Just tacked in at the moment, not fully welded just yet, so I'm going to get the top pieces in, and then fully weld all of that at the same time. Now on the drawing, let's go through it. So this is with the passenger side. So the idea was with that section there like that, so we'll have the door there, and then we're just going to have a wall there, right? So the idea is going to put another post up in through here, and then reinforce the side of it as well. Obviously want to have reinforcing, because the idea would be to have a ladder down at least one side, preferably the passenger side, so then accessing the roof. But those support posts in here will actually help with all the weight at the back as well. It'll help support that weight. Now we are going to have solar on the roof, and looking at, so possibly solar at the front here, and then was thinking a rooftop tent at the back, but we'll see about that one. All right, so outside frame is in. So let's just start. Obviously, like I said, tacked in. We've got one more piece which will go in, so about here. So I'll put this here. So that's roughly where that wall's going to be. So I'll have a post coming up there, which will divide that section off. And this will just be storage and usable area in here. Right, so a few hours. I think that's enough for today. Another time for a beer anyway. So this is where we're up to so far. Alright, so main point is this going to be storage hatch on here. So there, that's going to be sheeted off. That's going to be the wall for rear access. Now obviously in here, this is the main part. Well, the keep everyone happy part anyway. So we'll get into this in more detail later. So same again on this side. Alright, so sheeted off section here with door, tossing up, making a new box, or so I got this on Facebook Marketplace really cheap, and you'll see why. Yeah, so made us end up bashing that out and sealing it and putting it on the front. bit of extension on the front here, so with the previous trailer the extension really helped. So plan would be chuck another 600mm on this with a box on the front. It'll help with towing and shit like that. So, alright guys, so that's going to do it for this one. I'm going to leave it there. So don't forget, like, subscribe. If you've got any suggestions for what should be done moving forward, like obviously, you know, I've got the idea in my head, but it doesn't mean that it's going to work. If you guys got an idea that may help, just give us a comment. Don't forget, like I said, like, subscribe. Thanks.